In this inverter AC outdoor unit board, I have this Zener diode short circuited. Let's decode its marking and we will see part number. It is connected between gate and emitter pin. It is connected in the PFC IGBT gate protection. Gate emitter, and it is damaged. Length in millimeter, 4.35. We will consider it 4.3 because there is some coating, dust, rust. We will consider 4.3. 4.3 mm. We will measure its width. 2.64 millimeter width. 2.6 millimeter width. Component ID DZ, that means Zener diode. Marking code is 932A. Now we have different tools. Zener diode selection chart, that is from Vishay. I will provide the link in the video description. You can download this document. Now we'll go to the diode packages. At each page you will find markings of the diodes, body dimensions. If you check measurements of this diode, length 4.4. We measured 4.35. I think it is the same. 2.6. Width is accurately 2.6. That means it is SMA package or DO214 AC package. If width is 3.6, then it will SMB. So in our case it is SMA diode. If you check this SMA package here in the MCC, micro commercial components, H is 4 mm to 4.7 mm. That is also within this range, and its width J 2.25 to 2.92. SMA package, SMD Unit .1. 932. We will locate 93 in this table. First two digits. Click on this button. Marking case code 932. If we see 932, it is DO216 package. It is 20 volt Zener, but we need DO214. We will locate 932A. 931, 93. Yes, here is 932A. Here is 932A, 214AA. Zener diode, 20 volt, 10%. Locate its data sheet. Locate its data sheet. Yes, it is 1.5 watt plastic surface mount silicon Zener diode. 5932A 20 volt Zener diode. Let's check other data sheets. Yes, it is DO214 AC package, which we determined in our measurement. Power wattage 1.5 watt, 5932A. 1 SMA 5932, device marking 932A, Zener voltage 20 volt. So we found this part number and its specification for our required marking code. Using this technique, we found datasheet for 932A Zener diode. It is 20 volt nominal, minimum 19 and maximum 21 volts. 1.5 watt Zener diode. When we are decoding any SMD component, we need to take its dimensions, length, width, height, thickness, lead style, lead termination, lead bent angle. After that measurements, we will find its package code. Then using any web tool, we will check its cross reference marking, size code and part number. After that we can find datasheet. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.